Hey guys, it's Ashton.
And it's John. What up, guys? We're back with another reaction video. In tonight's video, we're going to be reacting to
Samsung India service SVC, most watched video in 2017, will take care of you wherever you are. Holy shit.
This
Look
got
how
a
many
lot of views.
210 million almost.
Yes. This is from Samsung India. Go and subscribe if you guys like this video. This was a suggestion for Rom.
Can you help me out?
Shiva Kiran. Hope you guys reach 1,000 or 100,000 soon. Following you since 24K. Good to see you grow. You deserve it. All the best. Thank you so much.
Good. He's cleaning me.
Who's cleaning her?
Oh.
Looks a little bit odd, but thank you so much for the support. We do appreciate it. You guys can also help support our channel. Click on the link down below in the description. If you guys get a certain video that you want reacted to, just click on the link. If you donate $10, even let you pick one of the next videos we react to. Just keep it under 10 minutes. Include the video link title and your email, and let's
also,
go.
Sorry for being rude, but thank you so much for your great comment or message.
Following us since 24K. That's been a long time ago, and we are very close to 100,000 now. I mean, we're like 2 weeks away, I'd say, maybe 3 weeks away from it.
I don't think so. We're only 5,000 away.
Yeah, we're only getting an average of 300 to 400 a day, so.
That's so lame.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
He's already there. No, he's not already there. Never mind. I think we have to send this one this song.
आसमान तेरे संग तू उड़ चला, इन कल कल करती नदियों सा तू बह चला।
That's what happened to me when that tornado hit.
बह चला, बह चला, मुश्किलें हैं राहों में जो
Oh my God. That's some back roads tracking right there. So cool looking over there. Oh my God. Goats.
Were those goats?
Yeah.
I couldn't
थोड़ा
see
फंस गया हूँ बस। आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है चंदू की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
Hold on, honey. He's really putting that extra effort to get there, though.
अमित,
Oh, sad. He feels bad right away.
आइए आइए।
What's going on?
Well, she's got some kind of disability, obviously,
Right.
their vision, and he didn't know that. Now he's like looking like, oh my gosh.
But how does he know her?
टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
Oh, he's helping her because he works for
Yeah,
Samsung.
yeah. He talked to her on the phone.
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है, जल्दी जल्दी।
There's a bunch of
School for the blind, I'm guessing.
yeah.
Oh wow.
आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी।
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन, और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चहेती प्रेरणा।
That would be the greatest feeling in the world, knowing you just helped a bunch of little kids. Just to watch their own like fellow blind be able to sing and try.
और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी-कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है। इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने-कोने तक।
There it is, guys. Which, do we post that one or not? Yeah. I like that one, and Samsung, obviously, great brand TV. But the thing I don't like about those kind of videos, guys, and I'm just gonna be honest with you, and you can feel free to hate on me if you want, but is it a true story, or is it taking advantage of somebody with a problem to try to promote a product?
I think so too.
You know, like
it's kind of wrong in a way to.
If Samsung actually had a case where a guy went way out of his way to do that for a school for the blind, that's fucking awesome, or power to you. But if that had nothing to do with it,
it's like a selling point, pretty much.
Yeah, it's
and
just a selling point to you.
They're using blind people for that, and that's wrong.
Right, because it's like you guys never actually done that, but you're saying like that's what you do, and you're promoting like, oh my god, I love Samsung because they did that for that little girl. But if you really didn't, then that's kind of an odd, thing to point out. But I support Samsung as a brand. In fact, I am right now on a curved Samsung computer monitor right now. I do like Samsung. So go
and your phone is Samsung.
My phone's a Samsung. I hate Apple. Forget you, Apple. Junk in your hand right now. Pile of junk.
Which, by the way, this case is really cool.
It is cool.
The battery's kind of out right now, but it lights up around.
And then you can open it. It's a mirror too. With lights around it.
I want to show them.
Okay, you show them. If you can get it open, because I never can.
I know, that's the only shitty part. Well, my nails are so short right now because...
Who will prevail, Ashton or the case? The case has never been broken before. Will today be the day?
It's because of my nails. I don't have nails.
I got real nails right now.
It's because, you guys, I literally just went to the nail salon like a week and a half ago, and they tore my freaking fake nails off, and I could literally touch my nails, and I'd feel the nerves inside of my nails. Like, my nail bed was exposed in, like, middle of my fingernails, and, like, they just tore them apart. So my fingernails are so bad right now.
It's got a mirror in it, and then it lights up around the mirror, too, and the batteries are charged, but they're not right now. But anyway, guys, go and subscribe to the channel. That is Samsung India, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bye, guys.